Welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn subject Science and Technology Part 1 Standard 9 Lesson name Current Electricity Video number 7. Current. What is meant by current? A flow of electricity through a wire. An electric current is a flow of charged particles. An electric current is said to when exist there is a net flow of electric charge through a region. An electric current is the rate of flow of electric charge passed through a region. Current electricity. Electricity is the presence and flow of electric charge. Electricity is of utmost importance in the modern world. We depend on it for almost everything in our day to day life. In order to avoid inconvenience faced due to failure of power supply, hospitals, bank, offices, and private institutions make alternative arrangement with the help of generators. Electricity is used for running electric furnaces, electric motors, and several other instruments used in the industries. Domestic appliances like the fridge, electric oven, mixer, fans, washing machine, vacuum cleaner, roti maker, etc. have helped us by saving time and labor. All these devices cannot be run without electricity. Not only human beings but some animals also use electricity. For example, fishes such as eels use electricity to catch their prey and also for self defense. The lightning that strikes the earth is an excellent example of natural flow of electricity. Potential and potential difference. The flow of electric charge between two points depends on a kind of electric level at those points. This level is called as electric potential. Electricity flows due to conduction of negatively charged electrons. Electrons flow from the point of lower potential to a point of higher potential. The difference between the values of potential at two points is called potential difference between them. A positive charge flows from a point of higher potential to a point of lower potential. We have seen earlier that electricity flows due to the conduction of negatively charged electrons. Electrons flow from the point of lower potential to point of higher potential. A lightning strike is the flow of electrons from point of lower, that is negative potential, on the clouds to the point of higher, zero potential on the earth. We shall study the definition of electric potential in higher standard. Potential difference in a cell. The difference in potential between the positive and negative terminals of a cell is the potential difference of that cell. This potential difference is caused by chemical reaction occurring inside the cell. The amount of work done to carry a unit positive charge from point A to point B is called the electric potential difference between the 2 points. Potential difference between 2 points is equal to work upon total charge transferred. So potential difference V is equal to work, that is W, upon charge, that is Q. The unit of potential difference in SI system is volt. Free electrons. Every atom of a metallic conductor has one or more outermost of electrons which are very weakly bound to the nucleus. These are called free electrons. The negative charge of the electrons also get transferred as a result of this motion. The free electrons in a conductor are the carriers of the negative charge. Motion of free electrons. Current flowing through a wire. When we connect the ends of a wire to the two terminals of a cell, electric force acts on the electrons. Being negatively charged, they start moving from the negative, that is lower potential, to the positive, that is higher potential terminal of the cell. In this way, due to the motion of these electrons, currents start to flow through the wire. Electric current. An electric current is the flow of electrons through a conductor, and quantitatively current capital I is defined as the charge passing through a conductor in unit time. If charge Q is flowing through a cross section of a conductor in time t, then current I is equal to Q upon T. Even though electrons move from negative end to the positive end, conventionally the direction of current flow is taken to be opposite of the direction of flow of electrons, that is from the positive end to the negative end of a cell. The unit of charge in SI unit is coulomb. Current is expressed in ampere. The charge of one electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Ampere is equal to 1 ampere current is said to flow in a conductor if 1 coulomb charge flows through it every second. Do understand the concept and revise at home. Thank you.